Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
How are you?
Good.
موصل؟
Yeah, Mosul.
ممنوع. موصل ممنوع.
Mosul.
ممنوع. كرمانجي؟
Kermanji.
تركي؟
Yeah.
حركت.
Don't understand.
ما يا معود هو من شركة تركية.
أجنبي شركة تركية.
موصل؟ نو. نو موصل. موصل.
Show you the way.
This is where we came, wasn't it?
Mosul and then.
موصل no good.
No, no.
But we go through to Turkey.
طريق.
موصل no good.
Look.
I love you. I love you.
I have a new boyfriend.
I think you do. I'm not so keen on the whole like sniper. What the hell?
Well, it's nice to know the way we came isn't safe.
What on earth was he saying? Like,
He's saying that you'll just get shot in Mosul. Well, why would you get shot in Mosul today when we didn't get shot in Mosul the other day? I don't know.